Hey, this is Lee. In this quick video, we're figuring out what fraction is exactly halfway between 1/2 and 5/8. Now, at first glance, this might seem awkward to solve, but I'll show you a simple method that works every time. To find the number halfway between two values, you just take their average. That means we're going to add 1/2 and 5/8 together, and then divide the result by 2. So let's start by adding the two fractions. We've got 1/2 and 5/8. Since these fractions have different denominators, we need to rewrite 1/2, so it has the same denominator as 5/8. What's the denominator in 5/8? It's 8. So let's convert 1/2 into eighths. 1/2 is the same as 4/8. That works because 1 times 4 is 4 and 2 times 4 is 8. So we're multiplying both the top and bottom by 4. Now we can add them. 4/8 plus 5/8 equals 9/8. So we've done the first part. We added the two fractions and got 9/8. Now we divide 9/8 by 2 to find the halfway point. Dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by 1/2. So we take 9/8 and multiply it by 1/2. Here's the math. 9 times 1 is 9. 8 times 2 is 16. That gives us 9/16. So the fraction that's exactly halfway between 1/2 and 5/8 is 9/16. Pretty cool, right? We just added the two numbers, then divided the result by 2, and boom. There's your answer. Hope that made things clear. Thanks for watching. I'm Lee, and I'll catch you in the next one.